we have to do an extraction.
What is he checking?
A problem with the top speed.
Good morning. Today we are on our way to the Mons Water Grand Prix to see how fast our electric Formula 4 boat can really go and to set up an official speed record. And once again we are kicking things off with an amazing weather.
C'est très très bien, bravo, très très bien.
So for the first test in Mons, we have good results, but my radio man told me the motor is too low, so we need to height again more, and we will see tomorrow if it's okay.
Okay, may I present to you Tobias 8. Day 2, one more day to go until the speed record. Now we have to change the propeller, elevate the motor, and then in the afternoon we have a slot for testing the boat once more in the water of Mons.
Ouais.
Avec 3,04.
Tu lèves pas le pied mais tu baisses juste le trim. Voilà, tu dois être à un rythme à peu près à 4005. Voilà, ça c'est très très bien.
The second test in Mons. This propeller is much better. We've reached 95. Yesterday we reached slowly 85. So we gained 10 km per hour. So I think it will be good for today with a start lunch.
We are so excited.
You just can't hide it. Mesdames et messieurs, today is speed record day.
Yeah, good to go.
Yes. Certified. Yes, I'm very happy. The boat is very perfect. Good!
I need more trust in me and in the boat. My team filmed me. As you see, the middle of the boat is always in the water, so I need to trim positive.
With the low voltage system, it's an advantage because when the boat crash or flipped, there are no danger for the diver and the driver.
If wind change and is no more parallel to the track, it will be an issue for the maximum speed.
Now, no stress anymore. It's a good no stress thing.
Today is not just about the attempt of the speed records, the run of today. It's about a new step for the future of motonautism.
Okay, so Maël have to take really care because there is a lot of wind, like you can see, and in the last race there is a lot of boat with accidents. They make some flip because of the wind, so difficult for the test, but he will do it for sure.
T'as pris mais t'étais bien. Hein. Et nous, on sera derrière toi à te suivre, ok? Go!
Based on the times we set over the 1 kilometer course, we hit 94 kilometers per hour in one direction and 89 in the other. That gives us an official UIM speed record of 91.5 kilometers per hour. This is the very first speed record ever set by an electric Formula 4 boat. It's a huge milestone for us, but it's not the finish line. It's just the beginning.